you're aware that it is against Amazon KDP's community guidelines for 2 persons to have same pen name. Are you aware of that? And you know what? This can lead to suspension of account or termination of account. And you know what? The second person will always have his or her account terminated, because Amazon KDP will be like, this other person published before this one. You understand? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a unique pen name. A unique pen name. Then one thing is this: if you're a Nigerian or maybe you are from Africa, I'm going to show you, this is mainly for you, because most of the times if you put out your books with your local name, most persons buying from Amazon, once they see the name, they'll just be like, what kind of name is this? This name does not look like people from their side. You know that to an extent that they are always like, these Africans, they might not really know what they are doing, and the rest of them. So for you to get your books sold out quickly, you need a pen name. So if you're answering a native name like myself, please don't be upset. You kindly keep your native name. We are going to make use of a pen name. So this pen name is one of those things that will stand you out. So is one of those things that will make people to buy your book all over the globe. You understand? So once they see your name, is a name they can easily read, is a name they can easily pronounce, it's not a native name, they will want to buy your book. Most especially if you're not a famous writer. So it's good you use pen name. You understand? You can write literally about anything. I'm gonna make a video on how to generate your content, how to format it, and all of that. Don't worry, it's a more reason you need to subscribe. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to kindly subscribe to my channel, drop a comment. What else? Subscribe, that's what I mean. Kindly subscribe, guys. Without wasting much time, let us move over so that I'll show you how to do it, how the app itself, how to go about it, and all of that. So let's go, guys, so that this video will not be too long.
Go to any browser of your choice. Once you go to any browser of your choice, you type Amazon KDP pen name generator. Once you type that, you will see this one. It will pop up, self-publishing titans. You click on that one. Ensure that you click on that one. So once you click on that, it will bring you to this interface. It's actually going to tell you to create an account with them. You need to create an account with them in order for you to be able to generate a pen name. If you don't create an account, you won't be able to generate a pen name, and this pen name is very, very important. You need it. You need it. You know that we are targeting the US, the UK, Germany, France, and other countries, other Western countries. So you need a name that is similar to theirs for them to buy your book. If you use your native name, maybe Ngozi, Chidima, Nkechi, they will not buy. They will just be like, who is this one? So after creating an account with them, you will see generate here. Once you click on generate, it will begin to generate names. So once it generates name, look at this one: Joe Oliver, Dustin Glover. So what I do advise people that I'm teaching is this: once it generates like this, you know it's generating two names. In Amazon KDP, you use 2 names. So once it generates like this, you see this one, Maryhan Summers. Do not, if you are using, you use one name. You use one name. Let's say for instance, you use Isaac Lucy. Do not use as it generates like this, these 2 at a time. No, you carry if you carry from this side, you carry from this side, you match it together.